Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be filling in the patio that I cleaned last week. It's been raining the last week, so not great weather. You definitely don't want to be sealing in the polymeric sand with a wet ground. So I was waiting until it was a beautiful day outside. And then I had actually purchased everything I needed earlier in the week. So this is the 40-pound polymeric sand from Home Depot. I'll leave the links in the description for anyone that's interested. But besides that, it's just a brush. I did end up purchasing the smaller brush here, and if I had to go back, I would have definitely purchased the large brush for a few dollars extra. I think it was like $4 or $5 extra. I honestly didn't think this was going to take too long, but it ended up being a 2.5 hour job because you had to keep uh, sweeping the sand into the cracks, into the gaps. The larger the gap, of course, you're going to need more sand in those areas. And you can see that in the video where some areas are quicker, but the areas with the bigger gaps definitely took a lot more sweeping the sand in. But besides those two things, you're going to need a blower at the end to blow away the additional dust after you properly sweep up all the sand. And you're going to need a hose with a nice sprinkler nozzle because you're going to have to just lay the water in there. Stay tuned for the end if you like the video to see the full results. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. And I would much appreciate it if you guys do subscribe and like the video. Have a great day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go,